This is the 6 levels of organization of the human body. As we learn the basic concepts of anatomy, it's good to start at the beginning. One of the previous videos, we talked about just the basic functions of the different organ systems, but how do we get to organ systems? So this is understanding the makeup of a living organism. If we start at the top, I'm going in order as we get higher in magnitude and putting things together because the structure creates the function. It's a common term we use throughout anatomy. When we look at this first part, we're looking at the atomic level and we start to look at the common elements that are found in the body. The 4 major elements that we find in the body are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. And this is showing that we have 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen, because it provides that compound water. Remember, water is one of the major building blocks of the body, roughly 2/3 of all of our body. So we start to take these major elements, those 4, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen, put them together. Doesn't discount the other elements that we find in the body that have just the same importance in many cases, things like potassium, sodium, calcium. But if we take those building blocks, then we start to build the smallest living things in the body, the cells. And this is a picture of just a common cell, but there's trillions of cells, and they change in structure because they change in function. Structure creates the function. Take a bunch of cells at the cellular level, put them together that are typically common in structure. And as I put all these cells together, the dark dot in the middle indicates the nuclei that we'll see a lot when we look at histology, the study of tissues. So I put a bunch of cells together and we get tissues. Typically common in structure, put them together and I get tissues. There's 4 types of tissues in the body: epithelial, connective, muscle, and nervous. 4 types of tissue in the body. So I go from the elemental atomic level, cellular level, put a bunch of cells together, get tissues, put common tissues together. Remember, 4 types of tissues, and we get organs. Now this organ is showing the stomach of the digestive system. Put organs together that are common in their function, and then we get our systems. And that's the previous video talking about our 11 systems. In this case, we're talking about the digestive system. So I take a bunch of organs, I create the systems, put all 11 systems together, and you get you as the organism. So as you're learning anatomy, we tend to go back to the cellular level, the tissue level, the organ level, and the organ system level. This is the levels of organization. It's key to starting that building block of understanding the basic concepts of anatomy when we learn the makeup of an organism.